My name is Haania, and I'm a student ambassador with the Experiential Education Unit, and today I'm here with Matt to talk about remote experiential learning.
Hi everybody, my name is Matt. I'm a fourth-year forensic psychology student at UTM.
So Matt, which remote experiential learning course did you participate in?
So I'm taking Forensics 481 right now, which is the research internship course in the forensics programs. And it's been a really cool combination of both professional and research experience. I'm doing my internship with the Innocence Project at Osgoode Hall, which it consists of the most amazing people I've ever met. They're also supervising a research project that I'm doing, which I'm hoping to present on this April at Forensic Science Day.
Awesome. How would you describe your experience, and what was your best accomplishment or takeaway?
For me, it's been a really great opportunity. I think especially these days with the pandemic, it's hard to get something tangible out of your education. But this course has really allowed me to dive into what I've been learning these past 4 years and actually apply it in a meaningful way. That being said, it is challenging. So doing remote learning requires a lot of self-discipline, which I lack sometimes. But I think I've really learned a lot about how to stay organized and stay on top of things, which I think is my biggest takeaway.
Do you have any advice for students who are considering enrolling in a remote experiential learning course?
Yeah, I would say hold yourself accountable in whatever way works for you. For me, that's using my calendar, using a to-do list, blocking my time in the day. Find what works for you and use that to stay organized. And take care of yourself. Your health comes first, always. Remote learning can be tough to know when to put the laptop away and stop working. So find that time to just be with yourself every day.
Thank you so much for your insight. For more information about remote learning, please go to the Experiential Education Unit website.